In this video, I will show you how to create a recruitment funnel just like the one you're looking at right here. So this one looks really good in my opinion, and I'll show you where I made this and how you can make this specific funnel within like 5 minutes and customize it with questions, your own images, your own text and all of that. So I found a platform that has the best templates for recruitment funnels, and I'll share with you which one that is and why it is so good. So it also works as a CRM and it helps you track all of your leads for this recruitment funnel. So the tool I'm talking about is called perspective.co. So I have it right here. Perspective.co is, in my opinion, the best funnel builder if you want to do recruitment. Now you will see usually they have a 14-day free trial. I am a partner of perspective.co and everyone who creates an account there is, so I'm actually using it. But you will see you can get a 1-month Perspective free trial by signing up through the link in the description instead of the usual 14 days. So you can claim this through the link in the description. But anyway, I'll show you right now how this works. So you can click new funnel. Now here you can choose what you want to do. For example, I will do recruiting right here, and again I think perspective.co has the best recruitment funnel templates, but you have some more also agency onboarding, and they even have a recruiting quiz which is pretty good. For example, here, find out now in just 2 minutes if our position as full-time dental technician suits you, and then you can enter these questions, so that's also pretty cool. But now I just want to show this one, which is the experience recruiting. So you can see what it looks like here. You have 9 pages in this specific one, so I'm just gonna start with this template and kind of show you how easy this is. Now I recently created a full tutorial on Perspective, so if you really want to know how you can connect your domain and do stuff like that, so the really in-depth things, and also use the CRM, then you want to head over to that video. I'll also link that in the description. But basically here it's really easy, just gonna customize the text. I'll also show you what you need to do if you want to remove the branding from Perspective, and I'll go over the pricing and stuff like that. But it's really easy to just go and change images. You can just go and remove it right here. You can add images, you can change the size of images. It's super easy. So you can just see all of the pages here. So this one has 8, so people can upload their resume, they can enter their info right here that you will then be able to see, of course. You can customize these questions. So if you want to build out a funnel for recruiting, then I would 100% go with perspective.co. And again, to claim the 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days, you can sign up to perspective.co through the link in the description. And I'll also leave a link to the tutorial, and that tutorial was specifically for this recruitment template, so you can watch that if you want, and that will save you some time in figuring it out. So now you know how to build a recruitment funnel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next